Let's see how to show bookmarks in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. And then, to create a bookmark, just highlight the block of text, go over to the Insert tab, and click on Bookmark. Let's name that bookmark first. Add, and let's name another bookmark. The second line, second. And as you can see, we now have two bookmarks. However, we can't see the bookmark text. For Microsoft Word, to show the bookmarks, let's go over to the File, click on Options, then scroll down, click on Advanced, scroll down to show document content, and click on Show Bookmarks. By default, Microsoft Word does not show bookmarks, so you have to enable this manually. And once you click OK, you will be able to see that your highlighted bookmarks have brackets beside them. And that is how you show bookmarks in Microsoft Word. See you soon!